Hi, I'm Jen and I'm back with step 2. These are my little UV resin squares, keychains that I started in the other video. And I painted them white with acrylic paint. Let that dry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Elmer glue, clear, see? And I've got some paper napkins. I think I got this at the dollar store. Has two different designs. One's plain like this, and the other one is very good. I like that. On the other side, it's like this. Last time I tried this, I just took that and I cut it. Around like this. There's a little strip. Put that over there. And take off the back of the paper if I can. Let me see if I can. This is the hardest part, is getting it to separate. There it goes. See, that's the back. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue, smear it with my finger. It doesn't have to be thick on there. But put it where you might want to have that paper stuck to. Close to the hole there. Now with the paper, you want to put the flower where you want it. I'm trying to think of where I want it. It's going to hang that way, so I'm going to put it down right here. I want the flower and two of those leaves in there. Let's see, did I do it? Yeah. And I push it down. Push it into it. Just pat it with my finger. There it goes. Now that was the bottom. Here's the top. You have to repeat it. I don't put too much glue on it. For the top, just enough to get the paper down on it. That's what you want to do. Just let it dry. And I can feel the texture of the napkin coming through on my fingers, so that's good. There you go. And you let it dry. Now, I don't know if the UV light will dry it faster or air dry it. So I'm going to try it out. First time trying it out. See if it works. Okay, I'm getting rid of the back of my next one. Now the next one, I'm going to use this pattern. See it? Okay. Trying to figure out which one I want to go on it. I want a flower on it. I know that in the design. Put that over there. Okay. See if that is going to go on the next one. Okay, let's see if that did it. Nope, it did not work. I didn't think it would. Now I've got a heat gun, and I don't know if this will work. And I'm sorry, but it will make a loud noise. Let me see which one I can unplug over here. I got so many things over here plugged in. I don't know if I can, which one this goes to. Oh, went to my big one. Okay, sorry about that. So, let's see if this works to dry it faster. If not, it will be tomorrow. See, step 3. And it seems to be drying. Oh, it does. Okay. Oops, let me turn that off. That's a little hot. It's still damp, so it might be tomorrow. Yeah, it's still damp. So let's do the next one. Then we'll come back later, probably tomorrow or later today. I don't know when these will dry, when I can come back in, finish up. But see what I'm doing here? I am smearing the white glue, well, clear glue, not white. There is a difference, I found out, between white and clear. Oh, everybody knows that. Well, forgive me, I didn't. Let's see. I need to take off this little piece right here. There we go. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put it like that. Tap it down. Tap it down, tap it down, tap it down. Put some glue on top. Follow the outline. Smear it, smear it, smear it. There we go. Make sure it's all down in there. Okay. Here's the first one. See the pattern? And here's the one we just did. And I turned it upside down. Oh. Okay. Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Make sure all the things are there. There we go. And that is it for, I forgot what stage this was. 1 or 2. Anyway, I know next stage is number 3. Okay, so that makes this one number 2. Okay, later.